Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to have a chat today about what I think Creality is going to bring out next week with the release of the Ender3 V3, not to be confused with the V3 SE, which was released a few weeks ago. This is a new one coming out from Creality and I'm going to have a chat about it. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so if you have a look up on the screen here, you will see that the Ender3 that they're bringing out, this is the release photo that they've released. It's a bit sort of hidden, but you can see on it that there is a what appears to be a K1 print head on it, and you'll see that it's on two rails too, so exactly the same as what the K1 has. You will notice down up on the side on the gantry, it is only one pillar, so it was going to be a bed slinger, I would say. You can see down on the bottom there that the keypad appears to be exactly the same as the K1. So I'd say the keypad, the print head and the rails for the print head are all going to be exactly the same as a K1, and it's going to be sitting on a Ender3 bed slinger. So I gather the bed size will be exactly the same as the Ender3s out there. I gather it's going to be running clipper just like the K1 is, and I gather it's going to be a rather fast little bed slinger. It's going to be released on the 14th, so that's next, what is it, next Thursday? Yep, next Thursday. And then on Wednesday after that, you've got Bambu Labs bringing out what appears to be, if you have a look up here, a multicolour printer as well, so or print head. Not sure, it could be something that's going to be upgradable on their printers, or it could be a whole new printer as well. Wouldn't surprise me if they're going to bring out something that's going to rival Creality's little bed slinger that Creality is about to bring out. So maybe we're going to get a bed slinger from Bambu Labs, who knows. But the Creality one appears to be, I would make a bet that it's got all the bed leveling that the K1 has, so they'll transfer all the technology across from the K1. So there's no more fiddling around with leveling beds and stuff, so that'll be really good for all those people trying to get in the market. I'd gather it would also be a rather cheap one, so if you have a look at the K1 is what, it's 500 US, so I reckon it's going to be 300 or 400, maybe less. Fingers crossed, eh? So I'll try and get my hands on it as quick as I can, and I'll do a review on it. I do know that they're releasing the source code for their K1 series in the next couple of, so they're doing the open source clipper code and all that sort of stuff on the 11th or 12th, so Monday or Tuesday of next week. So that'll be good. That'll mean that you'll have lots of people that now creating fixes and hacks and stuff to go on the K1 series, so that should be interesting to see what people come out with there. So also getting released next week is the CR10 SE, which as you can see by the specs I put up here, it's a Ender3 size bed, but it has clipper on it. This has definitely got clipper on it. It is a 600 mil per second speed printer, so it's a rapid speed printer, but the picture does not look like it's got the K1 print head, so it's got its own little print head. What else has it got? It's got linear rails, so it's pretty much, I think it's pretty much similar to what the Ender3 V3 is going to be, but with a different print head on it, is what I would say it's going to be. So it should be interesting to see what those two are. I'm not sure why they'd have two coming out competing against each other like that, but they've got their reasons. I gather it would be a price point type thing. So there's another one to look out for as well next week. So 3 printers coming out in the next 2 weeks. That should be game changing as far as the market's concerned, or definitely have an impact on the market. Okay, so looking forward to them coming out, and I'll let you know as soon as I find out more. So thanks for tuning in, and if you'd like and subscribe, that would be very much appreciated. Have a nice day, have a nice week, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, see you later guys, bye.